Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the class of English. Today we'll start with a new topic, conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words which join together words, sentences and parts of sentences. You might have learned this in your earlier classes. You know, when we are talking about two people, when we want to speak their name together, we use the conjunction and. Seema and Reena are playing together. So here and is the conjunction. So like that, words which join together words are conjunctions. But it is not only words. Even sentences are joined with the help of conjunctions. I went to the market, but I did not get the fruits. Here, but is the conjunctions. Even some part of the sentences are also connected with the help of conjunctions. So, if a vase is broken and if we mend it with the help of the glue, then it gets mended. Same way, conjunctions act as glue and they join sentences in order to complete the sentence. Okay, let me share an incident with you about Albert Einstein. Who was Albert Einstein? He was a great scientist. Okay, now Albert Einstein was often invited to speak at dinners. One night, on the way to another dinner, Einstein told his chauffeur. Chauffeur means the person who always uh, supports him or comes with him, that he was tired of them. Now the chauffeur asked or admired his boss so much that he had begun to copy Einstein's mannerism. जब किसी अच्छे इंसान के साथ बहुत दिनों तक हम रहते हैं तो उसकी अच्छी आदतें हम सीख जाते हैं. सेम वे दिस पर्सन यूज टू स्टे कंटिन्यूसली विथ सर आइंस्टाइन and he had almost learned so many things from him, even the mannerism. Now he said that I have an idea. I have heard you give these speeches so many times that I know it by heart. I can give the speech in your place if you agree. Now, Einstein said, what a delighted suggestion. Let's try it. When they arrived at the dinner, Einstein wore the chauffeur's cap and jacket and sat at the back of the room. The chauffeur went onto the stage and gave Einstein's speech in exactly the same manner as the big man himself. He even managed to answer a few questions. Now, a professor stood up and asked a technical question in an effort to rattle Einstein. Now, whenever we go to such places, then there are certain people who always are curious to know about things, and there are some who try to pull your legs, and they are always ready to put you down. So, here that professor wanted to ask something. So, he just stood up at his place and he asked. Now this person, he was not knowledgeable. He could only copy like a cat. So he was very smart. So he said, sir, the answer to that question is so simple that even my chauffeur who is sitting in the back can answer it. So see how with the presence of his mind he could give the answer in a very nice way, and he insisted Einstein to give the answer because he was not able to give the technical answer. So the moral of the story is that we should always keep the company of good people. Now here I am not narrating a story, actually Here I am going to show you some words like that. You can see in this red color, now, that, when, and, if. So these words are conjunctions because they join words, they join sentences, and so they are termed as conjunction. So I would like you to go through this presentation again, read the passage again, and you will come to know which are the conjunctions used in the passage. Okay, now look at this table. We'll talk about different types of conjunctions and where they are used. Now, conjunctions are used for different purposes. First of all, when the conjunctions are used for addition, when they are used for adding something in between two words, between two sentences or two phrases, then the conjunctions used are and, also, to, as well. So here let us take an example. Apurvi speaks Sanskrit. She knows French too. Now here see. Here we are adding something, that she knows two languages, Sanskrit and French. So this sentence can be said as Apurvi speaks Sanskrit and French well, or she speaks Sanskrit and she knows French. Instead of that, we have used it in a different way and we have added TOO at the back. So that also means that she speaks Sanskrit and she knows French also. So instead of also, we have used the word TOO. Now, when we have a choice means if two things are given and we have to make a choice. At that time, we use the conjunction or. Otherwise, we use the conjunction either or. Now, let us take an example of either or. I didn't mind either the black shirt or the red one. So, here someone is told to wear the shirt and he says that I don't mind, means I like both black shirt and red one, anyone will do. So, here the choice is given and he says either or. And if we don't want anything, if two choices are given and if we don't want any of them, then we use the conjunction neither nor. I want neither the black shirt nor the red one. So here see another example is there of neither and nor. Contrast. When we are comparing something. So while doing comparison, we use conjunctions like but, though, although, whereas. Now let's take one example of though. Though Mrs. Sinha has turned 70, she is very energetic. Now when we use though, we say भले ही वो 70 साल की हो गई है, 70 means 70. So she has become so old, but still she is very energetic. So at that time we use the conjunction though. We start the sentence with the conjunction though. So here see, it's not in between but it is in the beginning. Now when we have to talk about a reason, when we are giving some explanation for something or when we have a reason for something, then we use the conjunction because, as, or since. Let us take an example. We did not go to school because it was a holiday. So here we are giving the reason why we did not go to the school. We did not go to the school because it was a holiday. So here because, that is written in the red color, is the conjunction. Comparison. Now when two things are given and we have to compare it, then we use the conjunction as. I am not as quick on my feet as I was 10 years ago. When we are young, we are very energetic and we have lots of energy. Mrs. Sinha की बात कुछ और है. But here we are talking about a person who has turned old, and he is just explaining that before 10 years I could walk very fast, but now I am not as quick on my feet as I was 10 years ago. When we are talking about manner means किस तरह से. So at that time we use the conjunctions as, if or as though. Let's take an example. Nupur nodded as if to say she approved of the girl. To nod means to move the face in a affirmative way. I mean to say yes. So she had approved the girl. So for that she nodded in the way as if she approved. Okay, now the last purpose, that is of time. When we are talking about the time or some period of time, then we use the conjunctions like as, while, until, since, after and before. Let us take one example. I will not go into the room until I am called. It means जब तक मुझे अंदर नहीं बुलाया जाता मैं रूम में नहीं जाऊंगी या नहीं जाऊंगा. Here the gender is not given, so it's a general statement. Okay, so this is all about the use of conjunctions and the example of conjunctions. Now here are some more examples of conjunctions. Let us see one by one. She is good at both cooking and dancing. Now here I want you to underline the conjunction. Now here I will not speak what is the conjunction used. So I will repeat the sentence. She is good at both cooking and dancing. Let's see the next sentence. If we leave now, we can be home by 11 p.m. If we leave now, we can be home at 11 p.m. Let's see the third sentence. He couldn't be taken before a magistrate for punishment. Neither her friends nor relatives joined for the party. The fifth one. The legendary dancer is also interested in folk music. Okay, so here are the 5 sentences in which you have to underline the conjunctions. Now, let us talk about some rules of conjunctions. Now, there are different types of conjunctions too, but you will learn them in your higher classes. Maybe when you go in 7th or 8th standard, you learn about the types of conjunctions. We will not go too much in detail about types of conjunction in this lesson. Let us see the rules. Which are the rules used for conjunctions? So it will be easy for you to identify the conjunctions, and it will be easy to know which conjunction is used at what time. Rule number 1. The conjunction so, as and as is used to make a comparison. But if we use so and as, then it is used in negative sentences, whereas when we use as and as together, they can be used for both negative and affirmative. Affirmative means positive sentences. Let us take one example so you will understand it better. As you behave, so you have to bear. That means जैसा बिहेव करोगे वैसा आपको उसका परिणाम भुगतना पड़ेगा. She is not as beautiful as you, or she is as beautiful as you. So here you can see that when we use as and as, then it is a positive sentence, whereas when we use as and so, that is used in negative sentence. Okay, let's go for the rule number 2. The conjunctions both is always followed by the conjunction and. That means whenever we use the conjunction both, then we use the conjunction and. Let us take an example. Both Rajat and Meera went for shopping. Second example is, she is both pretty and intelligent. Let's go for rule 3. Lest. Lest means if is a negative word and is always followed either by should or first form of the verb. Remember, the words not, no, never cannot be used with lest because lest itself is a negative word. Dance carefully lest she should fall. Now see here, lest means otherwise or when we say don't, then we use the word lest, otherwise. For otherwise we use lest, lest. Dance carefully lest she falls. That means if she will not dance properly, she will fall down. Rule number 4. The conjunction though, although is always followed by a comma or yet, yet. So this is the 4th rule. I want all of you to write these rules in the notebook. So write this presentation, the definition, examples and the rules in your notebook. The conjunction though or although is always followed by a comma or yet. So let us see the example. Though she put in a lot of effort, she didn't crack the exam. उसने बहुत मेहनत की लेकिन वो एग्ज़ाम पास नहीं कर पाई. Although the diamonds are costly, yet people buy them because it adds to status. So see, diamonds are a symbol of status and people buy it even if they are costly. Rule number 5. Unless and until is negative words. Unless is action oriented while until is time oriented. Remember, do not use the words never, not, no with the clause containing until and unless words. Let's take one example. The father asked his daughter to wait until he returned. And the second example is, unless the employee works hard, the company will not progress. So this is another example. Okay, hope you understood what are conjunctions. Now I would like you to go through the presentation once again and learn the conjunctions, and I have also provided a worksheet to you. Please solve it, and if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day.